Welcome back to this HTML series. We earlier applied and put into practical how to put an image on a web page. Image is not the only media you can put on a site. Audio and video files are supported by HTML as well. We will take a look at the audio first. We use the audio element to place audio files on a web page. The HTML is fairly simple and it can trigger the browser to create an entire audio play or interface for us. Unlike an image, the audio has an opening and closing tag. Remember, an image does not have a closing tag. Now, just like the image element, we use a source attribute to provide the URL to the file. Let's link an MP3 file first. This is actually nothing very useful yet. We need to tell the browser what to do. In fact, we want the browser to provide some controls like the play button, a timeline, and a volume control. So now let's add the word controls as an attribute. If controls are there, it means true, include them. The control attribute tells the browser to include that audio. Can you see it is now on the web page? Now we have an audio player on the page. We can play, pause, and change the volume. We have other attributes we can use with audio. Loop will make the file loop. When it goes to the end, it starts playing from the beginning again. Autoplay will cause the audio to be played automatically as soon as the page loads, at least in some browsers. You need to be careful with autoplay. Most people hate it when audio starts playing automatically when they land on a web page, so maybe don't use that one unless highly necessary, which is rare. Okay, let us move to video. How to put video content on a web page. One way to put video content on a web page is to use the video element in HTML. Just like the audio element, we use the source attribute to point to a video file. And we add the controls attribute to tell the browser to create a video player for us. Ensure that your video is well compressed and sized so as to be able to fit into the web page. This is just a rough example for you to properly know the element attributes and controls to use to input a video to your web page. I hope I'm clear. Okay. Do you see that? Simple. I hope we understand. Please channel your questions to the comment section if you have any. In the next video, we look into structuring your content on the web page. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this platform.